Punta doon, punta.
Let's open the door.
Open the door.
I can't. Now,
Open the door. Uy!
let's
Saan, Be? Check natin, Be. Saan?
Here.
Yan, mag-blink yan. Or
Yeah, let's. Wait.
nag-blink na siya ng red.
Yeah. But, yes.
Ah, yay! O, antayin natin si Inay.
Let's untie.
Hmm? Excited ka na?
Yeah.
Ha?
We don't just
Oh,
beep. Wow.
oh
No.
ganyan. O,
No.
explain mo, Be, ano yung hawak mo?
A small detector.
Ha?
Let's put this on the tray.
Okay, so,
So, and I need-
explain.
But need to just need to
Hmm?
get a file
Oh.
at funny.
O, ano may yung mga buttons dyan?
This is just button one button
Saan?
here. We can test it. No, I don't want to test it.
I-test mo, Be?
No.
Bakit?
Oh no.
I-press,
No,
long
no,
press
no,
mo siya.
No,
Hmm?
no. We don't know these can.
I-cover mo lang ears mo yung gamit yung Air New Zealand headset.
Yes.
O, mag-wear ka nung fan para ma-reduce ang noise. O, kunin mo yung Air New Zealand headset mo. Saan na yun?
I can't see it.
Sa fan mo. Diyan sa toy box mo. O, yan. Okay. O, sige, test mo na fire alarm.
You know.
Okay, yan. Very good na. O, check. Press mo na yung fan.
No,
Smoke detector.
You.
O, tayo dalawa. Dali. O, dali. Gamit. O, dali. No, ang kamay mo, kamay. Dali. Let's go. Are you
No,
ready?
no, you.
Tayo dalawa. O, dito ka.
Not so well.
Ah,
Only one.
wag na lang muna i-test.
Okay.
Okay, hawakan mo na.
No, don't test it.
Hmm? Meron ka mang ear protector, so okay lang mag-beep, hindi siya malakas.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Hawakan mo na.
No, just. Okay. Just not test it.
Oh, hindi ko i-test. Hindi i-test. Okay.
Just. Don't test it.
Okay. Explain. Dali dito ba? Explain mo muna. Basahin mo anong nakasulat sa pan. Dito, harap sa camera.
I can't test.
Hindi natin i-test. Basa lang, basa.
Yeah.
Oh, explain dito. Explain mo sa video. Ano yan? Okay. First. Anong nandyan? Basa.
Oh,
Oy, dalhin mo ang smoke alarm.
yes. I forgot. Ay, nine. I got surprised. Look.
Ano yan?
It's a smoke detector. Yeah.
Smoke detector.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just. Then red. Say,
Sabihin mo na, nag-blink red.
let's wait.
So, wala siya gabip.
I-check kung nag-beep, you press it.
No.
O ask Inay to press it. Ask si Ate Cash.
Because you press.
Si Inay na lang, si Inay.
Nine.
Okay, just. Doon ka kay Inay.
Here.
Doon ka kay Inay.
Ready,
Yeah.
steady,
Go.
go. Maglagi.
Long press. Huy!
Yeah.
Maglagi.
Huy!
Muna to?
Huy! Huy!
Yeah.
Huy!
Just a long press.
Huy!
Yeah. It looks like a song. Yeah.
Ikaw ba?
Dancing too.
Gusto mo yan? Toy na yan? Smoke detector?
Next.
Okay, bye!
Long press.